Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to set up Google Authenticator. So of course, after you've downloaded your Google Authenticator on your App Store or your Play Store, this is what you find. You will be prompted to, of course, connect your Google account in order to have an account to store things. So as you can see at the top right corner, we have our account right there. If you do have multiple and you tap on it, you see the option to choose from others. Now, once we've done that, this is what we'll find. There's no code and there's nothing to look at. At the top left corner, you can see transfer account, how it works, settings, etc. Now, if you had an account with Google Authenticator before and you'd like to transfer the accounts on that Google account into your new Google account, you just simply need to tap on transfer accounts. So you could decide to import contacts and scan the QR code from the old account. However, if this is the first time, not to worry. What you need to do is to tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner and you see enter a setup key or scan a QR code. So if you're trying to set up your Google Authenticator to connect it with another app, you'll be needing the setup key or the scan QR code from that platform which you'll be using. Of course, we tapped on the plus button at the bottom right corner, but of course you could also tap on the add a code, then it will take you to this page as well. Same thing, scan QR code, or you can enter a setup key. Now, once you scan the QR code from the platform of your choosing, you'll be able to have the codes presented right here. So once you do that, your Google Authenticator would have been set up and ready for use.